A pie chart is best for displaying proportions of a whole, okay? And just a warning, avoid using pie chart if there are too many categories here. Preferably 5 of them is good. And so to obtain such a type of chart, select your data table, insert tab, recommended charts, and even Excel recommends that we pick pie chart for this. So that's how I obtained that chart. Now we can format it. We will retain this title because it's correct. Market share, I will only bold it and give it a color that I want, which is green in this case. Okay, I also don't like this outline. I do want to remove it. So while clicking on the chart, come to format tab that appears only when you select the chart. Okay, then under shape outline, come to no outline, and now we do not have that outline. So if you want to format the chart further, click on it, and under chart design you can come to this quick layout and you can preview different options available. Okay, and I tend to like this one. And then also you can come to preview this if you want that. Okay, I tend to like this type, so I'll use it. I don't need these legends because I already know that this is company A and the colors also are telling it. So to remove this legend, come to plus and uncheck legend. Okay, and now if you want to show that company A has a highest market share and you want to make it different from the rest, you can click inside of this pie chart, and under this A side you can left click and drag it a little bit. Drag it like that to separate it from the rest. You can also drag this label where you want. Don't know why it is misbehaving. Okay, that's basically it.